Hi, Steve here at the SJCE Fab Lab, and we're looking at breakout rooms in Google Meet. I really like Google Meet because it's so quick to start up a meeting. It works right there in that Chrome browser that you're probably using right now. Here's the thing though. It doesn't work in normal accounts. Here, let me show you what I mean. So over here you're going to see I have just a standard account, and I'm going to start a meeting at meet.google.com. Now there are other ways that you can start a meeting or schedule a meeting. You can use your Google Calendar. You could also use a plugin. Here we go, normal meeting. Just takes a second to create. So I'm going to say join now. It has its own URL. Here's my normal meeting, and you'll notice up here I can chat, which is great. Chat function is useful. I have my normal functionality. I'm not going to get into all of that because I have another video that explains it. However, there's more if you have something called an enterprise account. So the enterprise account will give you more abilities inside of a Google Meet. So I'm going to open up from a different account. All right, here I am. I've got a meeting called Example for Breakout. I've joined it from a couple of other computers. I'm just going to go ahead and say join. All right. Now, if you look, there's a little extra. Notice it's also giving me the option to allow background noise filter. Okay. So I have these other two accounts already added in. What I'm going to do is go here to activities. These three geometric shapes represent our three possible activities that we're going to talk about. The first one is the best, breakouts. Breakout rooms are so useful. So I'm going to click on activities, and I can click on breakout rooms, and I'm going to set up a breakout room. So I have the computers in three different rooms here at the SJCE Fab Lab. So I'm going to say, well, you know what, I'm in Design It. And I've got one computer in Print It. And you know what, I want there to be space for the third computer, which is in Build It. All right. So I've now created these rooms. I'm going to go ahead and open them, or you know what? I've already got one person there. I'm going to drag another to Print It. Okay. Now I can open the rooms and send everyone to their spots. I'm not going to join. Notice I can join any one of the rooms. This person has not joined the room like they should, but that's because I'm in the other room. Let's try it out. All right, notice how this account is now in the Design It room. Here's how it seems to someone who's in the Design It room. Notice we have some interaction that can go back to the host. It's only the host who's able to create the breakout rooms and manage who's there. I could join one of these rooms. Instead, what I'm going to do is close the rooms. Now the participants have 30 seconds to be able to head on back. Another thing to point out when you create a breakout room is you can set up time, you can shuffle, and put people in different rooms, not manually, but now, so just clear it. Next, let's look at polling. Also under activities, I can click on polls and ask a question. So I've typed in my question. I'm going to save it. And I can launch it. And now anyone can give me their feedback easily. I can add another one by clicking Create a Poll. Last cool thing that we can do is have questions. So if you go to Q&A, notice one question has already been added. Is strawberry ice cream the best ice cream or the best food? Notice people can give it an upvote. So we can organize questions by oldest first, but we can also organize by most popular. Google Meet has a lot of really powerful tools. I hope that you find it useful. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.